It's insane. I'm like, why is my cell phone in this snack box? I'm honestly confused, and it's weird because it's literally my information.
This is gonna be blurred out, right? It's like a public street. Anybody can walk by and see this, you know?
My husband doesn't even know this. I was 24.
Not cool.
It feels like completely violating.
It's disgusting.
Reading some of these things are like super embarrassing, super personal, that no one wants to have about themselves. How do you like the chips?
Actually, they're pretty good.
I had no idea that this was being sold.
Why shouldn't I get any compensation for it?
I don't see a dime of that.
Absolutely not.
Where's my royalties?
Hell no.
If anybody's getting money off my data, it should be me.